Hey, this is David with National Credit Care, and welcome to the Tuesday topic. A question we get all the time is, does my credit score really matter? I mean, I own my car and I don't use my credit for anything. If you like saving money, the answer to that is yes. Your credit score is extremely important. I mean, let's just say that you own your own car. I mean, nobody anticipates getting into an accident, and what happens if your vehicle's totaled and you have to get a new vehicle? I mean, do you have the cash just to buy a new car outright? Probably not. And so if you have to take out a loan of any kind, your credit score could cost you thousands of dollars. But let's just say that you're a great driver and you're lucky enough to have never gotten into an accident. Your car insurance rates are based off your credit score. And someone with a poor credit score on average pays $552 every 6 months than somebody with a great credit score. And the same goes for your renters and your homeowner's insurance. They're all based off your credit score. Cell phones. I mean, 96% of Americans have a cell phone of some kind. And the reality is most of us like to upgrade our device every few years. And these companies base your deposit and how much it costs you to get that new device on your credit score. And the same goes for all utilities. I mean, your water, your gas, your electricity, your internet. All of these companies base your deposits off your credit score. Applying for a job is a big one. I mean, it's stressful enough when you're looking for a new job, and when you find out that most employers are going to look at your credit report to determine what kind of employee that you're going to be is scary. I mean, government and financial positions, most of the time, they don't just require that you have a good credit score, but that you maintain a good score to keep that job. The list goes on and on and on, and we'll cover that more in another video, but the reality is your credit score is extremely important and it all adds up. I mean, when you combine all of the ways that your credit score can save you money, it can put hundreds of dollars back in your pocket each month. I mean, what would you do with a few $100s extra in your pocket? We would love to help and point you in the right direction. As always, we have an expert team of credit advisors. We'd love to take a look at a soft pull of your credit report and point you in the right direction and definitely see what potential that your scores have. As always, if you like the video, please like and comment below if you have anything that you want to hear us talk about, and we'll see you next week.